Level 1, the warning. You're not at the top of the food chain. You just don't know it yet. It starts small. A late-night scroll. A random video. Guy explaining how animals actually hunt. Until you don't, because you notice patterns. The way silence feels heavier outside your window. The way stray dogs stop barking all at once. You check the time. Nothing moves. That's your first lesson. Predators don't announce themselves. They erase everything else. You close the app, but now you're thinking, what if something's already watching? Level 2, the prey mindset. You start paying attention. Not casually, obsessively. You walk differently now. Head slightly turning. Eyes scanning reflections in glass. You learn zones. Open areas equals exposure. Tight corners equals ambush risk. You stop wearing headphones outside. Silence becomes your currency. You hear footsteps before you see people. You notice shadows that don't match movement. Your friends think you're paranoid because you've realized something they haven't. Most people die because they think they're safe. You're not trying to feel safe anymore. You're trying to stay alive. Level 3, studying the hunters. You go deeper. You start with wolves. Pack coordination. Silent communication. One distracts, one circles, one kills. Then big cats. Lions, tigers. They don't chase. You learn that most attacks happen within seconds. No warning. No time to react. You watch slow motion footage. Muscles twitch before movement. Eyes lock before strike. You start noticing it in real life. That one guy staring too long. That car that passes twice. Predators exist everywhere. Not just in forests. Some wear sneakers. Some carry phones. And some smile before they strike. Level 4, first contact. It happens faster than you expected. Parking lot, late evening. Dim lights, too quiet. You feel it first. That shift in the air. You look up. A man standing near your car. Not moving. Just watching. Your heartbeat spikes. You don't run. Running triggers instinct. You walk slower instead. Controlled. Unpredictable. You change direction slightly. He adjusts. That's confirmation. He's hunting. You reach your car, but don't unlock it immediately. Make eye contact. Predators hate awareness. For a second, he hesitates. That's all you need. You get in lock drive. Hands shaking. You just survived level 4. Most people wouldn't even realize they were in danger. Level 5, turning the tables. Fear changes you, but control transforms you. You start training. Not gym training. Survival training. Grip strength. Reaction drills. Situational awareness. You learn weak points. Eyes, throat, knees. You don't want to fight, but if you have to, you end it fast. You carry tools now. Nothing flashy. Just enough. Your movements sharpen. Your instincts get louder, and something else creeps in. Confidence, not fake confidence, the dangerous kind, the kind predators recognize, because now, you don't look like prey anymore. Level 6, entering their world. You stop just avoiding danger. You start studying it up close. Documentaries aren't enough. You go where predators exist. Urban edges, abandoned areas, late night zones most people avoid. You watch people. Body language becomes your language. You can spot intent within seconds. Who's nervous? Who's desperate? Who's hunting? You realize something uncomfortable. Some predators don't even know they're predators. They just follow impulse. Opportunity. You see a deal go down in a dark alley. Cash exchanged. Quick, silent. No witnesses. Money flows where risk lives. And now you understand. Danger isn't random. It's a business. Level 7, power and profit. You get pulled in. Just enough. Someone notices you noticing. They approach carefully. Offer information. Small jobs. Watching, reporting, moving things. Easy money. You tell yourself it's temporary. Just learning. But the money stacks fast. And your skills, they make you valuable. You're not prey anymore. You're part of the system. You understand how predators operate. Territories. Break them and you disappear. You feel powerful until you realize you're surrounded by apex predators now, and they don't tolerate competition. Level 8, the hunt changes. You feel it again. That same silence from level 1. But this time, it's directed at you. You notice cars lingering longer. Faces you've seen before. Someone's tracking patterns. Your patterns. You switch routes. They adjust. You go dark. This isn't random. This is calculated. You made yourself visible. You're a target. Because in a world of predators, the strongest ones hunt each other. Level 9, survival mode. You cut ties. No goodbyes. No explanations. You disappear from routines. New places, new times, no patterns. Sleep becomes optional. Trust becomes impossible. Every sound matters. Every shadow feels alive. You stop using your phone normally. You check exits everywhere you go. You eat facing doors. You're not living anymore. You're surviving. And it hits you. This is what real prey feels like. Not stupid. Just hunted. Constantly. Relentlessly. And now you understand. No one escapes the food chain. Level 10, apex. You get one chance. One moment. They corner you. Not physically. Pressure, isolation, exhaustion. That's how apex predators break you. But you've learned everything. You don't panic. You don't react. You do something worse. You become unpredictable. You flip the script. You create chaos, noise, movement, misdirection. Predators rely on control. You take that away, and suddenly, they hesitate. That hesitation, that survival. You slip through, but changed. Because here's the truth. You didn't escape the predators. You became one. Somewhere out there, someone feels that same silence, checks the time, and wonders if something is already watching them.